Happy Independence Day. Let's see what's going on the farm. All right, here we got some field corn, and we're waist high 4th of July, hands down. Tip you underneath. You can see this isn't even, this is a little bit better right there. Yeah, we're waist high easily. And boy, nice dark green color. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna be throwing some ears on this stuff. Yes, I'm making a chicken video, and it is the 4th of July, and you can see the hen, the broody hen, she come out, she's away from her eggs. She'll get something to eat, she'll get something to drink, and then she'll go back in with those eggs. But there's a catch to these eggs, and I want to show you. All right, we got pipping of this egg right here, and this one over here's, I just moved it and it moved around, so I think we wake up in the morning and we got chicks in the box. How many, I don't know. Again, she switched boxes on me, and some of these she hasn't sat on more than 5 or 6 days, but we definitely have a pipped egg, and usually it's 12 to 18 hours. Once you see that right there. Well, and here is the sweet corn patch that I was, I don't know, a few videos ago. You could see where I was throwing the hay down and stuff. And getting up there. I mean, today's July 3rd, and it's almost thigh high. And this is where I had the chicken manure. I brought it here. I composted. I mean, there was even some rotten eggs in there, but that's okay. Dirt don't mind, and neither does the corn. And man, I'll bet I get, the better part of 500-600 ears off this little patch right here. There's 12 rows, and I couldn't even tell you how many plants are in a row. I don't know, 30, 40. And you know, times 2 ears per plant, and there you go. Let's just conservatively say 12 rows of 35 plants, 2 ears a pop, and there you go. Probably, like I say, 500 to 700. And they'll all be eaten. And this corn here will be ready August 10th. So we're a little over a month out, but I'm fine with that. But take a look at this over here, this field corn. I got some volunteer growth coming up in here. I'm just going to rip that out because I plan on putting some sugar beets in here. Just doing some mineral mining and coming up from there. But that corn is, I hate to brag, but it's probably some of the best corn I've ever grown. And that has to do with the year. We're having a really good growing year. Yes, we are in July, so we will get dry. July is dry, at least here. But they are calling for rain on Wednesday. And I'm okay with that, because that right there is the clover patch. And I'm going to drive over there and show you that. I do have some videos working that. That was limed, that was fertilized. I put phosphorus and potash down on that, and let's go take a look at that clover. And then for all you professional gardeners out there, this is the Dark Star Zucchini. I really like this stuff. Slice it in, I don't know, 50-cent piece sizes and fry it. And this is, when they talk about fried zucchini, that's it. Now you come back here, this is some butternut squash I got going. I got a cuke. I'll get a few off that. I planted quite a few cukes, but that's the only one that came up, so I'll deal with it. I'll probably put some kind of fencing here so it can climb. And then those over there are more butternuts, and they need weeded. You can see there's some weeds in there. All right, you're getting my shadow, but it shouldn't really matter. I mean, you look down there and that's, I don't know if you could get clover any thicker than that. And truthfully, I'm probably one mowing away from clover just taking this over. There is some grass coming up in it, but nothing takes care of grass in a clover patch like mowing. And again, we're getting rain Wednesday, so I'll mow this on Tuesday, and that'll blow that clover right up. So it's been mowed once, but you can see, and this is all the, some people say Ladino, some people say Ladino, and the whole concept is, like next year, this will be a sweet corn patch. No, I like to follow a legume with corn. It it's always worked out well for me. And then, you know, you got edge of the woods, clover, 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 field corn, and then probably I'll rotate this out next year and put that in soybeans. And then, of course, in the wintertime, we'll have some skidding vids of the H, pulling some logs out of there, and who knows what other tractor I'll have at the time. I mean, maybe an A. Maybe I'll have the loader out there lifting and tearing stuff up. Who knows? Well, I went and dug the TA lever out of the barn. Now all I got to do is go find the center bolt for it. Because I doubt you can. Look at the cobwebs. I just drove this yesterday, too. They're not cobwebs, they're actual spider webs. But yeah, we're back in action. We were always in high, even when the lever wasn't on there. So I never really worried about it, and I never needed it. I just drop it down a gear. Mainly for those of you that don't know what the torque amplifier does is, essentially if you're under load or something, say you're going up a hill and you're in, oh, I don't know, high 2, and you're starting to lose power because you're going up the hill, just pull back on that lever. It'll drop you down a half a gear. And instant torque. Let me go see if I can find that center bolt. All right, well, I found the bolt, and I'll show you what else I found. Another TA lever. What tractor that went to, I couldn't even dream of telling you. But it was in there, and finally got her hooked up. There we go. Hey, McCormick. Let's go over here and see if we got a firecracker in the coop, in the coop, in the bush, in the bush. Wouldn't doubt it. It's about time. It's been probably 18 hours. Oh yeah. Yep. Broken egg right there. Yeah, there's a chick under her. I'll leave her alone and stuff.